Hi Genoveva, how are you?
Hi Manuel, I am okay. And you?
I am okay too. What do you in the afternoon?
Well, in the afternoon, I come back from plays basketball. Hit I on my homework. I take my dinner. I don't go to the gym or go out dancing.
What time do you head back from play basketball?
Return at 4 p.m.
Where do you play basketball?
Game at home.
What wasn't the dishes?
My mom washing the dishes.
What time do you prepare dinner?
Prepare dinner from 7 to 18 o'clock. And what do you do in the afternoon?
Well, in the afternoon, I do homework, play on my cell phone, and listen to music, but I don't wash the dishes and get on o'clock.
What time do you do your homework?
I do homework at 3 o'clock.
Where do you do your homework?
I do on my homework at home.
What do you play?
Delicious game.
Who washes the dishes?
My mom washes the dishes.
Since what time do you listen to music?
I listen to music from 3 to 6 o'clock. I listen to music.